Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you my glow up routine. So basically what I do in my skincare, the products that I use. And yeah, it's a very simple routine, nothing that hectic. It's very practical also. So you have to repeat it like every 15 to 20 days in order to see like great results and in order to keep your skin fresh and lightening all the time, glowy all the time. So yeah, without further any blabbering, let's just get into the video. Also, one more thing, this video is not sponsored. These are my personal reviews about the products that I'll be using. And these are the products that I like or dislike that I'll be telling you in the video along the way. So yeah, let's just get started. So the first step of the glowing routine is to use your face wash and wash your face properly in order to get all the dirt out of your face. So the face wash that I'm currently using is from the Wow Skin Science, and this is their activated charcoal range. So I take a little pump out of the squeezy bottle that comes, and it has this particular face wash has charcoal beads in it, but I really don't think they do any work because they are a bit on like a thicker side. But until and unless you don't pop, because there aren't so many, so I don't think there's anything that they do. But overall, the face wash is really great. It is sulfate and paraben free, so it actually helps you to exfoliate and properly clean your face and the pores from within. So yeah. So the next thing is a scrub. So the scrub that I'm using is again from Wow Skin Science, and this is also from their charcoal range. This is their charcoal face scrub. So this is the one that I'm using. So I'll be pumping out like this much amount for my scrub. Now, talking about this scrub, it is a really great scrub and it's like one of the best scrubs that I have. I have used a lot many scrubs from different big companies, even from the smallest companies, but this one is really great. I love just how the particles they have. I really don't like the particles that are on a bit thicker side or some particles that are very low like in number, but this has the perfect amount of particles in it, and I just really like how softly and how nicely it scrubs my skin and actually brings out all the dirt and the pollutants that are on my skin, and it helps you like remove your dead skin as well and leaves your skin super soft. So I like to massage it with my knuckles all over my face. This way I really feel like the blood is circulating inside, and it really helps to soothe down my skin. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I take my time and I do it nicely and properly. So I hope you guys also do it and just try this way, and I know you'll love it too. So I just hope you can see and touch my skin. It really makes my skin feel soft, and it actually like makes me feel so refreshed. It actually feels like the dirt has been removed from your skin like gorgeously, and it makes your skin super soft. So I definitely recommend this. This is an amazing scrub, and I just love how my skin feels just after using it. So let's get on to the next step. So the next thing that I'm going to use is their charcoal face pack. So it comes in a bottle like this, in a box like this, and this is how it looks from inside. And it also comes along with a spatula, so you can, I just really like this brush because it's not actually a brush, but it's in a spatula kind of a thing. So it doesn't have any bristles, but a plain synthetic something that you can just easily apply the product with on your face. So yeah. So coming on to the face pack now, I just really like, again it's from the charcoal range, and I just particularly love the charcoal ranges because they actually help you to like brighten your skin up, and they also help you to like take the all the dirt out and makes you feel super fresh. So this one also, there's no particular bad smell or something that you wouldn't like, and I love the spatula or the brush, you can say whatever you want to say, which comes along. So yeah, this is how I apply all over my face, and I leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes at max, and then I scrub it off. Like I don't like totally remove it just like that. I take my time and splash some water and then remove it by massaging it all over my face. So that's what I do with the face pack. And yeah, just try it yourself out and you will feel a real difference with it. So next I'll be going for a sheet mask. So today I'm using this one from the Nykaa, no, the Face Shop range. So I ordered these from Nykaa, and this is their tea tree version. So yeah, I'll be using this one right now. So next up is this sheet mask. So I cannot tell you how much important sheet masks are. The serum that get comes along is the thing that does real magic to your skin. I just love, and I have been using it like since for a long time now, and I just love what it does to my skin and for my skin. It really feels fresh, and I just want you to like keep using it, and you will see a real difference in your skin. So the next thing that I'll be applying on my face is this ice cube. So I'll be rubbing it in all over my face so that the pores that we have opened will be closed, and that everything that the good thing has happened to our skin stays inside and stays intact. This also helps you to like tighten your skin with time, and it doesn't have you get you wrinkles over the time, so it's a good thing for that also. Ice cubes like really help you tighten your pores in the long run, and really helps you like from those wrinkles that comes along with the aging. And I cannot stress more on this thing. And also I have a video, I will link it down, the 5 habits that I do, and this is one of my habit that I have always like had in my regime. So definitely check that video out, and you will know why I use it and what is so important about it. So the last step that I do is I apply the skin mist toner. So the toner can be applied like with a cotton, or you can just spray it on your face and leave it as that. So I'll be doing that. This one is the lavender and rose skin mist toner. So this is how it looks like. It comes in a plastic bottle, and yeah. So I'll be just spraying it all over my face. And yeah, that's it. So that is all for my glow up routine. After this, all I do is like apply my moisturizer, and that's it. That is all that I do for my skin when I have nothing, nowhere to go and nothing to do. And if I have to go somewhere, then obviously I apply the makeup and all, and that's all. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Share this with your friends as much as you can. Somebody could get help from this. And also, if you want to buy anything, I'll be like putting it down in this description box, so don't forget to check it out there and buy any of the products that you like for yourself. And all the reviews are honest, nothing on this channel is going to be fake, I promise you with that. And yeah, that's for this video. Bye.